Hello everyone, welcome back. Simply Makeup here. My name is V if you're new here. Today is collab time. Keeping it real fun collab. This is our last collab for the year 2022. And all the beautiful ladies that are into this collab, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them. Call it a holiday Christmas eye look. This one was picked by Jackie, and her channel name is called Jackie and the Other Side of Beauty. Again, visit all the ladies. Their information will be in my description box. Keeping It Real Fun collab. If you want to join Keeping It Real Fun collab, you can DM Michelle, which is AGEDGRACEFUL on Instagram. She will give you all the information you need to join. And we are off to the races. Let us see what I create and how I create it. Please watch to see how I create the look. It is fun. If you have your makeup palette out, take it out and follow along and create yourself a beautiful look. Today's question is, which one do you like the best? Apples or oranges? Let me know in the comments below which one you like the best, apples or oranges. I always love your feedback and I thank you very much for leaving a feedback. And now we are on quiet time to create this beautiful glitz sparkly look. Today's look is complete. This is what the holiday bling glitz. This green right here is the first green I put down as my base, and that is from the box of crayon, and it is this green right here. I use the Sierra London gold in here. This is the gold, and the gold is right here. I use the Culture palette by Juvia's Place. I use this green in here. This is the green right here. That's on the inner corner of my eyes. This from here go back this way. The last color I use is from the Primel palette by Blend Bunny. This green right here. This is what the green looks like. It's in my outer corner coming in to meet the other green right here. These are the 4 shades that I used to create this look for our Keeping It Real Fun collab group. The ladies' information is in my description box. Please go check them out. My red lipstick is by Estee Lauder. Today's inspirational encouraging word reads, don't be afraid to take a big step if one is indicated. You can't cross a charms in 2 small jumps. And those words were said by David Lloyd George. Don't be afraid to take a big step if one is indicated. You can't cross a charms in 2 small jumps. Always remember self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to go out there and live a fabulous life. One life to live it well, and enjoy it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.